Hi, it's William Jiang, welcome to 1000 tips of using Procreate. And have you encountered a problem like this? So when you choose a pen and you draw, and you will constantly adjusting the width, the size of the tip of the brush, and sometimes you want to make it bigger, so you just push it to say size to 100%. Okay, so you say, hey, I want it bigger. This is still very small. So how to do that? Really simple. It's not here because here you already made it to 100. So you can temporarily adjust that, or if you use that a lot, you can just duplicate it. I'm just going to use Studio Pen as an example. Okay, I'm going to duplicate it and I'm going to click it, and I'm going to go to the properties. And here you can look at brush behavior. Max size is sort of restricted to 21. That's the reason when you switch to 100, still not too much. So I'm going to make it max. So that's the potential. Okay, so after you have done, you can see it's a fairly big brush. So then here is the potential of this brush. So you can got it fairly large, and you can block add color. Okay, hope this is helpful. If this is helpful, please give me a thumb up, and if you want to see more, do please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.